Light the candles.
So, it's a good one.
Light the candle.
He appreciates me.
Candles.
Were you filming?
It's kind of blurry.
It is a little blurry,
come?
isn't it? I don't know.
You're filming me light the candles?
No. Yes.
Why?
Not really. You're not really the star. I'm just filming the whole thing in
Set your
general.
camera on fire.
Excuse me.
Are we gonna start?
You're excused.
Are we gonna stand here? Or
Nice
are we gonna
try.
go to the table?
Stand here.
So like you're not my kid. Huh?
But
We're gonna do it later. We're gonna do it later. We're gonna sing happy birthday to your mom now.
Square.
Ready?
Just lightly.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. More.
Oh.
Trick candle. Trick candle. Yay.
Oh, I took that picture completely by accident.
Cool.
Oh no, you took that picture.
And scene.